Hi, this is Dieter for SiteManager.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save page and layout components to your personal private library, share them with team members, and reuse them in any project. Let's get started. Before I show you how you can add new components to your private library, we're going to log out of the project and return to the dashboard, where I'll show you how you can manage your private library. When you activate your SiteManager Premium account, you'll be able to set up your company and add team members to it. These team members will have access to your private library. You can find your private library by going over the add-ons in the main menu and click Private Library. Here you will see your agency or company that you created, and you can manage your private library. You can delete components or view the components already in your library. There's a distinction between page components and layout components. Now let's return to our project. To save a layout component, you simply hover over the component and you click on the three dots here and select Save to Library. In this case, we are hovering over a page component. You'll be able to publish it to a library. If you have access to multiple libraries, if you're a team member in different companies, you'll be able to select which company you want to save the component to. In this case, I'm going to select it to my own company. I can change the name and add a description if I want to. I can leave the component open or locked. If it's locked, it means that team members cannot overwrite the component when they're using it, except admins who will always be able to overwrite. The same thing with availability. If I set the availability to no, other team members will not be able to see my component except for admins. All you have to do is click Publish. Now the component is available and ready to be used in the same or different projects. If you want to use a page component from your private library, simply go to the Add section of your project and select Choose from Library. Here you will have the tab Private Library. My agency is selected and I can see that my grid component is ready to be added to the website. If you want, you can also add the component to the same website again to make a variant. Besides page components, you can also add layout components to your private library. To do it, we're going to switch to the design view and open our layout panel. If you want to save, for example, this logo with navigation to our private library, we simply click the selector right here and click Save to Lib. Once again, you have the same properties as a page component and you can add it to your private library. To add a layout component from your private library to a project, you simply click the plus button in the section where you want to add it, click Private Library, and you will be able to add the component from your library. This is how easy it is to share components to your private library, reuse them in the same or different projects, and share them with your team members. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.